let's show you the product property for logarithms. So you know I love log base 2. So let's do log base 2 of 2 plus log base 2 of 4. Well, log base 2 of 2 is 1. Because the exponent you would put on 2 to get 2 is 1. And log base 2 of 4 is 2. So we get 3. Okay. So again, it's got to be that log base 2 of some number is equal to that 3. I mean, think about it. On the left-hand side, we start out with log base 2 of stuff, and so that's got to be equal to another logarithm. Those are at least the same types of numbers. Well, log base 2 of what number gives us 3? Turns out that's 8. 2 to the power 3 is 8. Which means, I suppose, log base 2 of 8 goes here, but the one we care about goes back up here. Log base 2 of, where do we get that 8 out of 2 and 4? Well, it's 2 times 4. And so I suppose that at least proves that it works. Maybe we can try with some other numbers. Okay, let's use log base 2 again. And so how about log base 2 of 4? That's 2. Log base 2 of 16, that's 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. So now we want to go log base 2 of some number is 6. What exponent do we, or 2 to the 6th power is what number? Something like that. And that is 64. 64. And so what do we get back up here? Does that work? 4 times 16? Of course it does. And so one other thing that might help you remember is logarithms are exponents. And so what are we really doing when we started? We were adding exponents. Have you ever added exponents before? You sure have. Let's think about this. When do you add exponents? You add exponents when you're multiplying. Okay? And so maybe that might help you remember that when you add exponents, really, you're multiplying those numbers.